Here you go, sweetie. Here you go. Good girl. Cash is so laid back right now. She's just laying there. I'm trying to see if she's got her babies out yet. She won't even come up and get the muleys. She's stealing them from Layla. Layla's getting the muleys, and she's coming up and getting them, aren't you? You're getting them for Cash. See, she's stealing it right now. There's more. Hold on, here you go. One more for you. There you go. A good girl. God, you're a little protein hound, aren't you? Where are you? Here. All right, hold on. Here go, baby girl. We're inside this base from my bedroom.